afternoon, everybody. Hello, students. Take care of Corona. This is my video lecture or video only for educational purpose. I, Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaj Jawahirlal Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. The syllabus of FOBC is implemented to be implemented from academic year 290 to 220, and this chapter or this paper of FOBC paper first, plant utilization first, is implemented CBCS syllabus or C choice based credit system syllabus to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221. Today, I delivered a video lecture on unit number 4, paper plant utilization first, plant life and utilization paper first, semester first, unit 4, fungi and subunit, structure of basilocarp or sporocarp of mushroom, that is this article is included in the life cycle of mushroom. Today we will learn mature basilocarp and anatomy of basilocarp or sporocarp. The basiloid, first anatomy of basilocarp or sporocarp. First, structure of gill, structure of stipe, reproduction in agaricus biosporus, discharge and dispersal of basilospores, germination of basilospores. These points or these subpoints are discussed here. First, structure or mature basilocarp, which shows rhizomorph, long stipe, gills 300 to 3000 to 600 gills, then pillars. This structure is mature basilocarp or sporocarp of mushroom. Today we will learn anatomy of basilocarp or sporocarp. The basilocarp is made up of pseudoparenchymatous mass of hyphae having lower stalk called stipe and upper pillars with gills. The tissue of the upper region of the gill chamber differentiates into slow and fast growing alternate bands called primordium of gills. This is the alternate bands of primordium of gills. This is the annulus or annular ring of stipe. This is the finishing structure called pillars, and this mature basilocarp or fruits of mushroom shows umbrella shaped bodies, that is pillars shows umbrella shaped structures. Gills are of three types: trama, subhymenium and hymenium. Gills are of three types: long gills, half length gills and quarter length gills. This structure shows long gills, half gills and quarter gills. Full length gills, quarter gills and half length gills. This is the vs or vertical sections of the gills. This is the sporophage of the mushroom. This shows vs, x and y, vs of gills. This is the vertical section of long axis of gills. It shows full length, quarter length and half length of gills. This is the hymenium or fertile structure of gills. This is the pillars or this is the pillar structures. This is the shape of gills, that is stipe, quarter length, half length of the gills. Tiers of the gills show the following three distinct structures: trama, subhymenium or hypothecium and hymenium. Then trama, it is of the central region of the gills called trama. It has loosely arranged intone hyphae, that is hyphae are translucent, tubular, hyaline structure. Subhymenium, second part, subhymenium, hypothecium or subhymenium it is called. It represents on both sides of central trama. It is formed by lateral branches of the hyphae of trama. Then hymenium, third point of the TS of gill, the hymenium. It is the outermost portion of the gill. It is a fertile portion of the hymenium. This is the shows fertile portion of the hymenium. Fertile means basilospores are many basilospores are present in this region or in this region called hymenium. The cells are held in palisade-like layer. TS of leaf shows palisade tissue. That same as palisade tissue, it looks like palisade-like tissues of this layer. Then the columnar club shape of fertile cells are called basidia. Basidia are present in this region. It shows 4 basilospores, 2 positive strain and 2 negative strain. The outermost club shaped fertile cells are called basidia or basilospores. Each basidium has 2 to 4 basilospores, 4 positive and 4 negative strains. Then structure of style. This is the structure of log elongated structure of style, shows 5 to 9 cm in length. It is a fleshy. It is the basal part of the basilocarp. This is the basilocarp of basilospore. This is the basal portion of the basilocarp. At the base it shows rhizome or hyphal cord or mycelium cord of the style. It is the style shows cortex, loosely arranged cortex, and at the center it shows medulla. Cells of the cortex are round. Cells of the medulla are small but round. Then third structure, pilus. Cells of pilus shows hymenium layer. The stipe that it supports broad umbrella shaped structure called pilus. This is the umbrella shaped structure called pilus. The mature portion of pilus is 5 to 12.5 cm in diameter. From the underside of the pilus, long 300 to 600 strips of gill layers are present. These tissues are called lamina. This structure, it shows laminar structure, laminar or prelaminar structures. The gills are white or pinkish or in young condition, it is brown or purplish back at maturity. Next point, reproduction in agaricus. This is the anatomy of agaricus. Next point, reproduction in agaricus. Agaricus reproduces by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. First, vegetative methods. Edible mushroom is Agaricus bisporus, Agaricus campestris is edible mushroom. In Maharashtra it is called a button stage. In UP it is called a kukumba. Locally it is called a kuthum. Then edible mushroom is common or it is used in commerce and grown in common field by small piece of dikaryotic mycelium called inoculum or spawn. Dikaryotic mycelium is seeds of mushroom or spawn of mushroom. These spawns are used as cultivation of mushroom. Then asexual methods. Asexually reproduced by chlamydospores formation. The chlamydospores are formed by secondary mycelium. Secondary mycelium is formed by fusion of primary positive and negative strains of mycelium. The chlamydospores germinate to produce dikaryotic mycelium. Some species of agaricus reproduce by OEDF formation, but here is the chlamydospore formation is germinates to form mushroom or button stem. Then third method, sexual methods. It is mainly somatogamous or pseudogamous. It is mostly advanced methods of sexual reproduction. Most of the species of mushroom is heterotelic, but Agaricus bisporus is a homotelic species of mushroom. The primary mycelia are formed by germination of basispores or opposite strains. The hyphae of opposite strength, that is positive and negative strength, fuse together and form a secondary mycelium, and secondary mycelium germinate to form basilocarp or fruiting bodies of mushroom or sporocarp. Then discharge of disperse of basilospores. Mature basilospores are discharged by water drop mechanism or water bubble method. This is the important point. Mature basilospores are discharged by water bubble method or water drop mechanism. A drop of liquid developed at the hilum or at the top of gills. It increases in size and it contains or size are becomes larger in size, that is 1/5 of the spore. That is, these drops or hilum top becomes larger in size up to 1/5 of spores. This drop is called a Buller's drop. Buller's. Buller's. Buller drops. That is discharge of or disperse of basilospores by water mechanism, water drop mechanism method or water bubble method. Water bubble is formed at the top of the hilum. This drop is called Buller's drop. At this stage, the basilospores are shoot away from the stegmata. Shoot away from the stegmata. This Buller's drop is in not liquid, but it is gas of CO2. That is, it is made up of both gas and liquid. That is, liquid and gas. Hence, they are shoot away. Basilospores shoot away and they fall down on the soil or on the litters or on the woodlot. They are light in weight and carried away by wind. They are also light in weight and carried by wind, that is anemophilous dispersion. Each basilospore is uninucleate and has walls of chitin or chitinous. Basilospores. This is the basilospores. Basilospores are uninucleate. They germinate to form primary mycelium. Primary mycelium, both strains are fused together and form secondary mycelium. Secondary mycelium also germinate to form mature basilocarp or sporocarp. Then germination of basilospores. After falling on the suitable substratum or on the soil in shady or moist condition, these basilospores germinate. These germinate and form two positive and two negative strains of basilospores and form primary mycelium. That is, primary mycelium have two positive and two negative strains. These are fused together and form a monokaryotic mycelium. Then monokaryotic mycelium fused together and form dikaryotic mycelium. The secondary mycelium develop the fruits of basilocarps. This is the structure or anatomy of basilocarp. Reproduction in agaricus biporous, discharge and dispersal of basilospores, and germination of basilospores. Then systematic position of the mushroom or agaricus biporous. Kingdom Mycota, division Eumycota, subdivision Basidiomycotina, class Hymenomycetes, subclass Horobasidiomycetes, order Agaricales, family Agaricaceae, genus Agaricus, and species Biosporus. And Agaricus Biosporus is homothelic species. This lecture of life cycle of mushroom. Today we will learn anatomy of basilocarp and sporocarp, reproduction, discharge of spores, germination of spores. This is the video lecture, or this is my video lecture, and it is only education purpose for FY BSc students. Thank you. Take care of Corona.